The Customer Import and Export feature is designed to make customer record cleanup a snap, especially when a third-party company has been hired to assist and requires your customer list data file. It is important to note that the Edge will only accept 3 file types: XML, CSV, and JSON. If you're exporting for a third-party cleanup company, please be aware that the Edge does not support customer merging or deleting. The Edge only supports the updating of customer information such as names, addresses, birthdays, and other information found on their customer record. First, we'll walk you through how to export your customers into one of these acceptable files. You'll navigate to Customer, Wizards, Customer Export to bring up the export screen, and then click the down arrow in the Customer field to bring up the customer filter. You can choose to skip filtering if you're looking to export your entire customer base. Select Export All to export all contact methods, or choose Export Defaults Only if you're looking to export only your customer's preferred contact methods. Then select the file type from the drop-down menu and pick a location to save your file, and then click Next. Here you'll see the full list of customers resulting from your chosen criteria. You can filter your selection down further if you choose by unchecking any customers you would like to exclude. Click Next again to choose which columns you'd like included with your exported file. You can check all, or you can go through and uncheck columns you won't need. If your goal is to then take this exported file and then import it back into the Edge after making changes, then you must include the customer number in your export so that the customers can be matched up correctly when imported back into the Edge. Once all selections have been made, you can click Next to process the export and then finish. Importing into the Edge can be used to update existing customer records or to add new customers. To now import into the Edge, you'll click on Customer Import. Select one of the 3 acceptable file types from the drop-down menu, and then navigate to the file you're looking to import into the Edge. At the bottom here, you'll see 3 boxes for address, email, and phone type. In the Edge, every customer address, phone number, and email has a type. For example, phone numbers might be home, cell, or work. If your import file contains customers with contact methods that do not have types, then the values in these boxes will be used instead. The default is set to imported, but can be changed, and anything entered into these boxes will be what is shown on the imported customer record. Click Next for the column matching screen, where you'll match from the import file to the Edge database. The left-hand column here, named Source Columns, are the column labels from the import file. The middle column, named Edge Columns, is where the information from the left-hand column will appear within the Edge. The right-hand column, named First Record, gives you a preview of the very first record in the import file. This way you can make sure your column mappings make sense. The Edge will try to automatically map columns for you, and if the imported file came from the Edge originally, it will already match as it's the same format. Click Next and check the box if you'd like to show the list upon completion. Importing a file that was not generated from the Edge, such as an Excel spreadsheet, will likely need to be mapped manually yourself. Please note that if a customer number is not included, then the Edge will create new customer records for all customers on the import file. So it is important to always include the customer number when updating existing customer records. Also, the Edge does automatically create a backup of your current database prior to importing, as there is no way to undo the import. This last screen will tell you how many customers were imported and instruct you to now close the wizard by clicking Finish. You now know how to successfully export a list of customers from your Edge and how to import your customer lists into the Edge. Thank you for watching.